Have you ever wondered why, despite the much-anticipated Bitcoin ETF approval, Ethereum's value experienced an unexpected surge? This surprise turn of events left many scratching their heads, but as we delve into the timeline of this development, all begins to make sense. Bitcoin was basking in the glow of a new price high, surging to trade at a premium. This rise was attributed to the impending of a futures-based exchange-traded fund, ETF, for Bitcoin, a long-awaited milestone for the industry. The overall market capitalization soared above for the first time in a long while, and analysts were predicting further price highs in the coming months. Ethereum's digital token, Ether, has made headlines as it surpassed a significant mark for the first time. This milestone was reached after Ether's value increased by a remarkable percentage in just a few days. The surge was driven right after the ETF for Bitcoin was approved, along with the growing popularity of decentralized finance applications, non-fungible tokens, and the Layer 2 ecosystem renaissance driven by powerful companies such as Coinbase. The unforeseen surge in the value of Ethereum led to conjecture that the market was anticipating the sanctioning of an Ethereum ETF in the future. This transformation in the investment narrative underscored a fresh viewpoint, where Ethereum started to be perceived not only as a technology platform, but also as a prospective investment instrument, akin to Bitcoin. The approval of the Bitcoin Spot ETF was seen as a catalyst that could potentially pave the way for an Ethereum ETF. The market speculated that the approval of a Bitcoin ETF sets a regulatory precedent that could make it easier for an Ethereum ETF to be approved in the future. At the moment where everyone was looking at the Bitcoin chart, waiting to see a surge, it was ETH that ended up stealing the show. The question arose whether Ethereum's price movement was a reaction to the Bitcoin ETF news, or if it was driven by its own market dynamics. The surge in Ethereum's value was perceived as an indication of its broader acceptance and acknowledgement in the conventional financial markets. The expanding ecosystem of Ethereum, inclusive of its DeFi, Layer 2 and NFT capabilities, adds to its allure to investors. The complex interplay of investor expectations, market sentiment, and the evolving narrative around cryptocurrencies was reflected in Ethereum's surge during Bitcoin's ETF Newsweek. In conclusion, the unexpected rise in Ethereum's value in the wake of Bitcoin's ETF approval was a result of market speculation on the potential approval of an Ethereum ETF, a shift in the investment narrative, the impact of the Bitcoin ETF approval, the potential for Ethereum's wider adoption, Ethereum's future prospects, and the dynamics of investor sentiment and market trends. These factors combine to create a fascinating twist in the tale of cryptocurrency markets that continues to captivate us all.